Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken drumstick curry, and it's going to be Achari chicken. It's very tasty and very delicious recipe, and please try it and you're going to like it. I have a 4-pound chicken drumstick. I'm going to take the skin off and I'm going to make a 2-cut on each drumstick and I'm going to wash it. I'm going to use a mango pickle, and you can use any pickle. Ground ginger, garlic powder, cilantro, spices from my masala dabba, then olive oil. Chicken drumstick, I took the skin out. I make a 2-cut on each drumstick and I washed it and drained the water. And they are ready for the marination. Get a mixing bowl. And first thing we're going to bring achar, which is mango pickle, 1/4 cup. This is going to be really spicy. Before we adding any other spices, we're going to make sure that if there is any seed from the mango, we're going to take it out. Any hard part, we're going to pull it out. And if you see the big mango chunks, we're going to break it into small pieces. So once we are done, now we're going to start on the spices. And please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. Black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt, red chili powder, curry powder, ground ginger, garlic powder. All the spices is 1 teaspoon each. 2 tablespoons olive oil. And mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the pickle, now I'm going to bring the chicken drumstick. With the help of fork, mix it well. I'm going to let it sit on a countertop for 10 minutes. That's the marination time. If you want to keep it longer time, that's always a good idea. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. The drumsticks are marinated for 10 minutes and I will bring into fry pan. On high gas, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. So keep moving. Cooking for 5 minutes on high gas. This is how the chicken drumsticks look. So keep turning and keep bringing the masala on top. Another minute of cooking. So altogether 6 minutes of cooking on high gas. Now I'm going to bring 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, altogether cooking for 7 minutes on high gas. We're going to cook 3 more minutes. Altogether cooking for 10 minutes on high gas. I'll bring the gas to medium and we're going to cover it with the lid and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for exactly 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I opened it and I stirred it once, then I closed it again. And now I'm going to start the fan and I'll open it. Mix it. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes of cooking. Chicken drumstick are fully cooked. I'll open it. Mix it well. I'll bring the gas on high so we'll dry up the water. I'll bring cilantro, 1 teaspoon cilantro. Kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon. So I'm just going to crush it with the hand and I'm going to sprinkle all over. Mix it well. The dish is ready. You can take it as is, but I just want the gravy to be a little bit thicker. Another 2 minutes of cooking on high gas. This is perfectly fine. And I'm going to turn off the gas and I'll dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. This is really tasty and delicious recipe. Achari chicken drumstick curry. It's very tasty and very delicious. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, and best of all is with the rice flour. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.